Hi, so we're back in Heroes Battlegrounds. I'm going to be showing you Explosion Hero combo and the ultimate. So yeah, let's get straight into the combo. I'm trying to speed things up because I don't have too much time. I really wanted to get this done, so. Okay, what? Usually there'd be a second blast catapult, but passive on this character is a bit weird, so. So sometimes it's like a passive where like your moves go have like a really short cooldown, and usually it'd be blast catapult into another blast catapult or explosion combo. And then you do the powdered shot. I keep calling it powdered. Oh my gosh. Powered and shot and ground cannon, and then that would be over for them. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the ultimate. Also, don't leave the video yet because this ultimate kind of gets crazy. We got Infernal Shot and Tense Torch. This is Infernal Shot. And the best part about that is they don't even move, and it just does all that damage. Exploding Dive also got changed like that. You also need to do 100 damage for to get the 10th torch. Alright. Come on, respawn. Okay, 10th torch. Victor helping us that. One of my friends must have changed their avatars. I do not remember anyone being. Oh, that's not what usually happens, but that was a cool one. So we got mine. Yeah, you just like launch at them. You also get these like new dashes. You get this like effect. M1s I think are changed. So yeah. That was the ultimates. Yeah, I guess the ultimates is what I would call it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, you make sure to like and subscribe. And maybe if you get to 10 subscribers, I can do something different and like cool or something. Well, anyways, bye.